So today I am going to show how do you take effective reports in Tally Prime. So as a Tally Prime user, you can easily post your transactions in accounting vouchers. After you posting accounting voucher, how do we view all the reports? So you can go to the display more reports where you can find there is a daybook. You can open it. This is the first report for Tally Prime user. So every day you are recording your transactions. After recording your transactions, how do you view the transactions? The transaction you can view only in daybook. Daybook is a place where you can see all your vouchers entries. Let us begin with simple report viewing. The first thing, how do you view a particular voucher? If you want to see the payment voucher, you can open the payment voucher. You can see the payment voucher, and you can also modify in case if anything you want to do. And if you don't have any changes, you escape from this window. Here you can see all the transaction from beginning to end date. So how do you view a particular voucher type? If you want to view a particular voucher type, you can click the voucher type and you can see example. I want to see the payment voucher. You can see payment voucher alone. In payment voucher, you can see voucher number 1, voucher number 2, and so on. If I want to view this contra vouchers, you can click on F4 once again and select contra voucher. You can see the contra voucher alone. So you can filter the vouchers by clicking the F4 button, and you can choose which one you want to view. And in case if you are find any one of the vouchers you want to remove from this entry, you can also remove from this entry by pressing Alt D, which you can help you to delete the vouchers. So if you delete the vouchers, you cannot recall again. So please, before you delete any voucher, please ensure that whether you want don't want. And suppose you want to cancel any entries, you can also cancel by Alt X. You can cancel the vouchers. You can, yes, it will be cancelled from the book. But what is the advantage here? The number is redial. If you delete it, it totally delete from the entries, but cancel only cancel for the book of accounts, but the number will be remain the same. And if you want to duplicate any particular voucher, you can choose this voucher and press Alt 2. You can make the duplicate voucher the same 2 and buy and change the number alone, and you can save Control A. You can have another sales voucher by pressing duplicate. So these are all the shortcut keys you can use in the daybook. So the daybook is a place where you can view all your vouchers and your entries, and you can also modify. Thank you.